Thank you for calling Hotel California. This is Ayan. How may I help you?
Hi Ayan, this is Jerry. I'd like to book for 4 people please, and that would be for August 18.
Sure, Jerry. I'd be happy to help you with that. So which room do you have in mind?
Actually, I gotta tell you first that I am super busy, so I haven't been able to browse through your website. And I don't really know the rooms you have in right now. But I could give you my requirements and then you suggest the best room for me. Can we do that?
Absolutely. What do you need?
So there are 4 of us, including me, and we need something with a Wi-Fi and maybe a swimming pool.
Got it. Will you four be staying in one room or separate rooms?
Oh, sorry. I forgot to tell you that we will be separate because you see we're 2 couples, so we need 2 rooms.
I see. So in that case, I recommend 2 deluxe kings. Each room has a king-size bed which fits 2 people, a Wi-Fi and access to a swimming pool and free lunch and breakfast. All of these for $200 each, and that's gonna be $400 for 2 rooms. How does it sound?
Oh, that is a bit too much. That's a bit expensive actually. Do you maybe have something more affordable than that? It just now that I think about it. I remember there's a beach close to your hotel, so we will probably just take a trip there and you can take out the swimming pool. Is that possible?
Sure, let me see your options here. So if you want to take out the swimming pool and just have the Wi-Fi, then we certainly have a room for that, and that is in the Classic Kings for 125 each, which is 250 for 2 rooms as opposed to 400. And you're still gonna get the king size bed and the Wi-Fi. But I have to tell you, Jurek, aside from having no swimming pool, you will also only get a free breakfast instead of lunch and breakfast. Is that okay with you?
Perfect. Perfect, Ryan. That's exactly what we need. We'll be having lunch at the beach anyway, so we won't be eating at the hotel. So 2 Classic Kings it is. Do you need my credit card? Number or what do you need?
For security purposes, we don't really take credit card info over the phone. What I need from you instead is your email address where I can send you a link where you can directly pay and enter your card information.
Okay, cool. You can send it to jeric@gmail.com.
Thank you. How do you spell Jeric, by the way? Is that a Jeric with a V or a Jeric with a P?
That's with a P for pepper.
Thank you. So just to make sure, let me just spell that out for you. That is for Sarah, T for Tango, E for Echo, P for Peter, H for Hotel, A for Echo, N for Nancy. Underscore 182 at gmail.com.
Yeah, that's all correct. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. So just to recap, you will be booking 2 Classic Kings for this August 18 to 2026, and the total amount is $250 for 2 rooms. Are all of this correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
So after this call, you should receive an email from booking@calihotel.com, and the email is a secure link where you can click and enter your full name and card info. I also want to remind you not to click any email that is not from booking@calahotel.com because we only take payments through this one email.
Alright, gotcha. So is there anything else that I can help you with today?
Nope, you've been very helpful, Jerry. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome, Ayan.
Thank you for calling Hotel California. You have a great day.
Have a great day, Ayan.